Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to freely resize those sections. So we need to use another app. Because I'm sure that you're familiar with the fact that if you've got the One UI 8.5 or higher, you can simply tap on this edit icon and quickly resize the panels. So for example, you can resize those icons. Here you can change the size and the position of the brightness and the music. You can expand or make this panel shorter, etc. I'm sure you're familiar with that. However, what if I will tell you that you can freely move those objects? Because obviously here we've got some kind of limitations, right? If we've got the bar, let's say, on the side, it means that we can only change it to the side, nothing else. But if we've got, for example, the bar at the bottom, it means that we can expand it or make it shorter, but we cannot really change the size, we cannot really shrink it. So let me actually show you how to quickly change it, how to actually manage the size and of the icons freely. So what you need to do is to first of all make sure that you've got the app GoodLock. If you do not have one, you can simply download it from the Google Play Store or from the Galaxy Store. It's free of charge. So find it and tap on it. So you will start with the plugins. So what you need to do is to scroll down here and go to the Quick Start. You will need to download it, so just tap on the download icon and tap on it here. And then let's tap on advanced settings. And as you can see right here, we've got the resize panel items, so we can adjust panel item sizes freely. So again, once again, after entering this edit section, we've got those bars either on the side, at the bottom, or right here as it comes to the brightness and the music in the corner. But if we will choose resize panel items, now you can see that in each option except the music, we've got everything in the corner, which means that, for example, we can expand Bluetooth like that, and it will be applied. We can expand it also like that. So as you can see, it can be really, really long. Here we can expand it, for example, like that. So we can essentially do everything we want with this section thanks to this resizing option. So just have fun with your section, just do whatever you want and customize the panel as you wish. Obviously, if you are done, just tap on done and it will be immediately applied, as you can see. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.